When you look at YouTube today, there are channels getting 4 billion, 6 billion, even 8 billion views on single videos. That's not a viral accident. That's not one lucky upload. That's a machine. And one of the biggest examples of this system in action is Cocomelon Nursery Rhymes. Over 200 million subscribers, billions of monthly views, thousands of videos. And here's what most people get wrong. They think it's about animation quality. They think it's about having a massive team. They think it's about spending millions. It's not. It's about building a repeatable content system designed for one audience and optimizing it for scale. And today, I'm going to break down exactly how you can build a similar style kids channel using AI tools, without copying anyone, without huge investment, and without needing a professional studio. Let's go step by step. First, you need to understand the model. Children don't watch for complex storytelling. They watch for familiarity. They re-watch the same song 50 times. Parents play it daily. Retention goes up. Watch time explodes. The algorithm loves it. So instead of chasing trends, you build a structured format. Step 1. Positioning. Before you even think about making videos, you need an identity. Go to the homepage of a top-performing kids channel and study it carefully. Look at the colors. Notice the big smiling characters, the bold fonts, the simple thumbnails. Everything is designed for instant recognition. Take a screenshot of that homepage, upload it to ChatGPT and ask, give me 10 original kids channel name ideas inspired by this style, plus logo and banner design prompts. Choose a name that is easy to pronounce, easy to remember, and short. Then take the logo prompt and paste it into an AI image generator like Gemini. Generate multiple variations. Pick the one that feels bright, soft, and child-friendly. Do the same for the banner. Add happy characters, soft clouds, rainbow gradients, big friendly text. Your channel must feel safe and joyful at first glance. Now you look professional before uploading a single video. Step 2. Content research and structure extraction. Do not copy videos. Instead, study patterns. Go to the most viewed videos on major kids channels. Look at titles like The Wheels on the Bus, Bath Song, Yes Yes Vegetables, Bedtime Song. Notice something? Simple daily life themes. Now pick one theme. For example, the train adventure song. Go to a transcript generator and pull the transcript of a popular rhyme. Now you have a blueprint. Then ask, create a completely original kids rhyme using this structure about a colorful train adventure. ChatGPT will generate your base script. Step 3. Scene breakdown. Now take your rhyme and paste it into Gemini. Use a prompt like, break this rhyme into 10 detailed animated scene descriptions for a 3D kids cartoon. Include character expressions, environment details, camera angle, lighting, and mood. Gemini will generate scene prompts. Then take each scene description and generate clips using an AI video tool one by one. Don't rush. Keep character consistency. Use similar prompts so your main character stays recognizable. Step 4. Song creation. You can use 11 Labs for song generation. Download the MP3. Step 5. Editing and assembly. Open CapCut or any free editor. Import all video scenes and edit according to that channel's pacing. Keep the pacing fast in the beginning, slow it down slightly at the end to create a calming finish. Export in high resolution. If you treat this like a long-term digital asset instead of a quick cash idea, you can build something powerful. For prompts, you can join my Telegram channel.